Getting more Google reviews isn't about looking good. It's actually the fastest way for your small business to get top ranking on local search. Today, I'm going to show you ways to flood your profile with 5-star Google reviews. Now, I learned the hard way, so I'm going to share the mistakes that I made and you can avoid. A little bit about me. My name's Kevin Mohan from CodeBreeze Solutions right here in New Haven, Connecticut. I have an AS in computer science, fairly recent, and I also have four Google certificates in digital marketing. I've been in business for 3 years, and it wasn't until about 6 months ago that I really got the digital marketing aspect of this, and it was from taking the Google courses, which I highly recommend, by the way. They're Coursera courses. Takes a lot of time. It's not that expensive, but well worth it. I learned a lot, and I want to share that with you guys. Here's my Google business profile. I did a video on that, how to set this up. Um, the most important thing are the reviews. I have 9, and they're all legitimate, real reviews. But I made the mistake of not asking. You have to ask. There's a time to ask. You don't want to ask a month later. When you complete a job, let's say you're a plumber, you do a great job, ask the customer right then when they're really happy. You have to ask. That's the biggest thing is asking. And the second thing is you want to make it easy for them. So you want to have be able to give them a text, you want to give them an email, have a QR code on your phone, have little business cards. I have a business card with a QR code on it. The other thing is on your website, you have to have a trust area on your site anyway with your reviews, testimonies. That's really important. So right below that, have a button, a call to action. Please leave a review. That's really effective. The other thing, the third thing you want to do is you want to train your team to ask for reviews. So if you got guys out in the field, girls, whatnot, salespeople, um, workers, you want to train them to ask for reviews. That's really important. Um, and the other thing, the fourth thing that's really important, and it's not just for reviews, but a follow-up email. Follow-up emails get 25% more response. That's just in general. So for reviews, like if you sent an email out, maybe a few days later, send out that second one. Maybe they just didn't get a chance to do it. So that second email, and that's for anything. Maybe you're following up on a lead or something. That second email is really important. A lot of people overlook that. The other thing is when you do get reviews, it's really important to respond to the reviews. It builds trust with the human customers, but it actually builds trust and authority with Google and the large language models like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, so on. Because a lot of people now, instead of searching on Google, they're also just asking Chat while they're there, and Chat's recommending people, and they're learning from reading your Google business profile and so on, and that those reviews from the customers really build trust. So that's important. The sixth thing I would say is never buy reviews. Don't ask your family and friends for reviews. It's tempting, I know, but Google knows suspicious activity. They're getting really smart. So you don't want to get your Google business profile permanently banned. So keep that in mind. The seventh and probably the most important one, just do great work, do good service, and those reviews will come in. So that's really important. And just for a final tip, I guess, as a, helping others, Leave reviews yourself for vendors or somebody you're working with. I'm starting to get much better at that. I wasn't good at that before. But as I learn these things, I want to share it with you and help your small business grow online. So I hope you guys got something out of this. My name's Kevin Mohan from New Haven, Connecticut, founder of CodeBreeze Solutions. And this is a fairly new channel. So I hope you guys come back. My goal is to help small businesses grow online. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.